Hey guys, welcome back to Keeping Up with Kham. Today's video is just a little bit of an insight on how this toddler truly eats breakfast and dinner. And before we get into this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Thumbs up this video if you like it, share it with your friends and family, and definitely leave us a comment in the comment section below. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye. What's dirty? All clean. Mommy's eating some. That's a cheese. Thank you. It's hot. Food. It's just bread. It's in your mouth? So as you guys can see, we did omelets today and Kham is not having it. I have given him eggs before, scrambled, and he does not like it. I think it's just the texture, not too sure. So I tried omelets today and that was definitely a no-go. But he did enjoy his yogurt, which he has religiously, so I'm very happy that he does enjoy that, and it is very helpful and beneficial for his nutrition, so I can't complain there. So as we can see, Taco Tuesday may be a big hit with everybody else, but when it comes to Kham, he is definitely not feeling it. This was ground turkey instead of ground beef, which he has had before, just not in taco form, and he was fine with it. So not too sure what's throwing him off with the tacos today, but this one was a no-no.